Morning guys, it's April 13th, 2023. So now I got a call from a lady. Around here the gas company used to have people, you know, get the gas boiler service once a year. And I told her, you don't need to do it every year. If it's clean and it's running and it's not all rusty and stuff, you know, every 2-3 years, maybe 3-4 years, have the burners cleaned down, make sure they're brushed, and if there's a problem, call me. But you know, it's like a flipping scam. You know, they want to get you going every year. You know, like your father dies of heart disease, they got you go to the heart doctor every year for the rest of your life. You know, even though there's not an issue, everything's fine, they still want you to go. The same thing with the boilers. Oil, you got to service every year, but not gas. Unless it's a high efficiency. If it's a high efficiency wall hung, well, that's a different story. But I'm talking conventional old style boilers on the floor. You don't need to clean them every year. That's hogwash. But anyway, I'm going to go by there and check it for her, make sure the burners are clean, and give it the once over. If it's got old circulators, oil that, but and check it out for the lady. So that's basically what I'm doing on this one. I'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. Like I said, if it's high efficiency, yeah, you got to maintain them every year. You're stupid enough to put one of them in. You're dumb enough to put a high efficiency boiler in. You're gonna need to service it every year. Yeah, all right, Miss Mama. Yeah, you got that right. Vent damper's locked open. I just want to check the burners. It looks new. As long as the burners are clean, play around with this thing every year. What a waste. I'm gonna shut it off and check the burners. And check them, see how dirty they are. I shut the power off and check this one. Well, that looks like brand new. Nothing wrong with that. That thing is fine. Wasting money. Wasting money. Having it serviced every year when it's like this. The burners are clean. Nothing wrong with that. Flipping scam. Yeah. We'll, I got it off. We'll turn it on and we'll jump out FF here. TT and jump it and get it to run. This is just one zone anyway, so yeah. We'll jump out TT. The damper's locked open. I don't know why they did that. They got it right here, they got it locked open. Number 60 tank, because it's a big volume system. 2-inch It's 2-inch pipe here. Old radiators. Alright, so burners are clean. Ran boiler, no issues found at this time. Boiler pressure good. No roll out. There's also a safety up there anyway. If there's a, see them wires? There's a safety that will trip if it rolls out, so it's good. Some of these old units, you'd see them all rusty if they're rolling out. That's fine.